Are you still worried about your background in this 21st century? Like, you're scared of making video because you don't want your background to show online. Are you for real? You don't have updates, like you don't know what's going on. Let me tell you. Are you aware that this background I'm using is a fake background? Like, do you have any idea that this background over here is a fake background? Let me tell you something you don't know. Most people these days don't bother about their background because there is already a provision for using a fake background. Not just a fake background, a fine background. You could choose maybe a kitchen background, bathroom background, toilet, office, like name it. And then you're still bothered. You're still not making any content, posting any content because of your background. You're lagging behind, as in you're lagging behind the clock. Let me tell you something you don't know. But first of all, don't forget to follow this channel, like, and also share and comment. So let me tell you something you don't know. Most people don't bother themselves of the background to use because why? There are provisions for that already in the Pinterest app. So I'm going to be teaching you in this video how to make a fake background and also design it. So I'm going to be teaching you that in this video. So if you're interested, then don't forget to follow this channel. But first things first, let me give you the tips to achieve a very good background like mine over here, even better than mine. So let me give you the number one tip. You need a very good lighting. Like, you need a very good lighting. If you don't have a ring light, or let's say your home is not well, like there's no much light there, you could use natural light. Yes, that one is also good. You could also use natural light, yes, because you need a very good lighting, like for your background to come out fine and eye-catching. And then secondly, you need a very stable, should I say, okay, let's just say tripod. You need a tripod stand, right? Because you can't be making a video and then your camera will just be shaking, like your camera will not be stable, just be going here and there. It will just make the audience, like, it will make them feel like, I don't know how to put it, but it's not nice, not good as a content creator in this 2025. So you need a stable camera, like something to hold your camera, which is your tripod stand. And if you don't have a tripod stand, you could just find somewhere around the house where you can just keep the camera and then make your video. Maybe on top the window, maybe on top the couch. However, figure that out. Thirdly, you need a very good, as in, okay, let's just put it this way. You need to make your video in a plain background, as in a plain background like mine over here. Did you see the plain background I use? So you don't have to use a colored background. You could use a very plain background, maybe white, painted, or however. But as for me, this is the background I have. So, which is still okay. You could actually use this type of background if this is what you have, right? So, these are the things you need to put in place. You need a very good light. You need a tripod stand. And also, you need a very good, okay, let's just say, a background that's not that busy. Not too busy background. So, without much being said, let's get into editing. But before then, remember, don't forget to follow this channel for more. You did not follow this channel, and that is why you're still lagging behind the clock. Many people have already gone far, and then you are still left behind. But don't worry, I got your back, because I'm going to hold you hand by hand. I'm going to hold your hands and then take you there. We're going there together. We'll get here together. Don't worry, I got your back. So if you're interested, get into editing. Are you happy? Because I'm excited.
So guys, first things first is to go to your Play Store. So this is my Play Store. Then you search for Pinterest. So look at the Pinterest. You search for this Pinterest app, then you install it. So this is the first process. You install it if you don't have it in your phone. And then secondly, let's open the app. I already have it in my phone, so it's of no use. So let's say you're going for an interior design, right? You click on this interior design, then you click on the photo, whichever one you want. Okay, let's assume we want, okay, let's use, which one are we going to use? You can use whichever one you want to use, right? So let's use this one over here. So the next thing you want to do is to put it at this ratio, 16:9. So do you see? So let's use this one. I just decided to pick this one. So let's use this one. Then you click on done. After clicking on done, you wait for it to upload, then click on continue. After clicking on continue, you can either change it. So you see in this place now, you see living room, kitchen, dining, laundry room, coffee room, offices, bathroom. You can go for anything. You can even go for offices. You can go for whatever you wish to go for. So the next thing you want to do is to go into your InShot app, then you click on video. After clicking on video, you click on new, then you click on photo. After clicking on photo, you pick the photo. Let's pick it here. Look at it here. So you pick it, right? So after that, the next thing you want to do is to click on this canvas. So look at canvas over here. You click on it, then you click on 16:9. Not this 9:16. Oh, this one is for shorts or even TikTok. But you click on 16:9. This is for YouTube. This is a YouTube standard, right? That landscape structure. So let's click on it, and here, this is what we have here, right? Next thing you want to do after getting this your background is to click on pip. So you bring the video you want to use. So let's search for the video you want to use. So let's assume we want to use this video over here, right? So you click on it. So the next thing you want to do after clicking on this is to, as you can see, right, the video I just imported is longer than the background. Like there's a point, okay, when it gets to this point, then it gets to, there's a point to get to, right? The background will not show anymore. So what you want to do now is to increase, like to make the background the same length with the video. So let's make it the same length with the video. So it has to end and stop where the video stops. So if you look at it closely, this blue line, the blue line at the down is the video. Why did this one here now? This one is the background. So let's split it this side, right? Then delete this part. So you see they are now the end and stop where, like together or however. So the next thing you want to do after doing this thing is to click on pip again. So you click on this video, then you look for cut out. So you press cut out, then you click on the cut out. So as you can see, it's counting already. So you need to count up to 100%. So by so doing, before you know it, your background, like the background of your main video, will now remove, and then you see that it is now okay. So let's wait for it to finish counting. So as you can see, it's still counting. So let's wait for it to finish counting, so that if you've not subscribed to this channel, then you're making a very, very big mistake. You're making a very, very big mistake if you've not subscribed to this channel. Because in this channel, like I said earlier, like you will have, like you will have a lot, like you have a whole lot to learn. If you think you know how to edit a video, if you think you've learned everything in editing, then let me tell you, you're wrong. Because there are a whole lot of things you still need to learn in editing. If you think you've learned editing, then you're not serious, because this is just the beginning. Like you've not learned everything in editing. It's not even possible. There's a whole lot that you still have to learn. You still need to learn. That's why I said you should subscribe to this channel and follow for more, so that whenever I post videos, you'll be able to follow up, so that you'll not be lagging behind, you'll not be left behind. So guys, as you can see, the background of this video, it has been removed. Look at it here, right? So you're just going to fit it into the background, like make it look real. Like however you want to do, you just make it look real. So you're just going to fit it into the background, right? So you're just going to fit it into, and you know the most amazing part of this whole thing, there are interior designs, there are exterior designs, so you can use anyone, and you can decide to blur the background after you must have been done. So if you want to learn how to blur a background, I have a video, like there was a video I posted on how to blur a background. I posted how to blur a background using your InShot app and even your CapCut app. So it's very detailed. If you want to learn it, you go back to that video. So this is what the video looks like. You go back to it and then watch it there and learn it. So guys, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share and comment. So let's see what it looks like.
Thumbnail. Like when people see it, they want to be curious. Like they want to know, what is this video all about? Like they want to click on that video.
So do you see, it is now all set. We have changed the background of this video. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, where I'll be teaching you how to edit a thumbnail. Yes, to attract more views, like to attract the viewers, to make them curious. You have to make a very, very good thumbnail. So I'm going to be teaching you that. So subscribe to this channel so that you don't get to miss out. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.